Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie Penny, the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we have an unboxing. I ordered 5 of the mystery bags from Yarnspirations, and I also ordered 2 yarns intentionally from their clearance department. I think that's all I got in here. You might hear and see my husband moving through the house. Normally when he's home, I film up in the craft room, but I was already set up to film in here for my Pantone review, so I'm lazy. You can walk through the house normal. You don't have to tiptoe. So now he's gonna tap through the house and bounce my camera. That's why we've been married so long. Crack it on in. At least I remembered my scissors this time. Sip of punch. That's just the same punch that I made for my Christmas party, if you were watching during Vlogmas. Oh yes. So, as with most of the, oops, sorry, I'm knocking my filming platform. As I've said previously with my other unboxings with mystery box stuff, now it's glary on this side. Guys, the struggle's real. Anything that I don't think I can add to my stash that's going to add value to my stash, I put in the Prayer Shawl Ministry boxes just because somebody else can use it for something. I ordered 3 bottles of Peak, Peyton's Peak. This is rose wine, bulky. Yardage, people, yardage. 169 yards, 83% acrylics, 17% nylon. It's not quite as slippy as I would expect. It's very fuzzy, furry. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see how it works out. But I got 3 of these. I mean, I really like the color. The brown with the pink is really pretty. And I outright ordered this bright coral Bernat Baby Sport. Nothing much to say about that. So my first mystery bag is this yellow. I have to spend some time with my ball winder today and get this wound up while I listen to audiobooks. So this will definitely be going to the Prayer Shawl Ministry box. We have one lady who's been doing a lot of baby blankets for us, so she'll probably get a lot of use out of that. It has a funny smell on it. Really weird, but it looks like it's almost 3 whole skeins and then 3 little partial balls. Next up, we have 2 big squishy skeins. This feels a lot like Karen 1 pound. It's actually a much deeper red. This is more true to color. Once again, my bad lighting seems to be, but here, let me shut the window because it is, that got awfully rough, awfully fast. Real life, unedited, you guys. I don't know why my bad lighting is always better than my good lighting. But there's the yellow. Here's the red. It's still darker, but it does feel like carrying 1 pound worsted weight. Not something I would have bought in the store. Ew. Ew. This smells like nylon rope. If you've ever killed acrylic before, like intentionally or unintentionally, where you actually press the iron to the acrylic and melt the acrylic, that's what this feels like. This, about the only thing this would be good for is making like an indoor-outdoor rug. This is awful. This is yucky. If any of y'all have any idea what that is, I don't like that. We've got some baby pink. And this looks like the standard Bernat baby. This has that same funny... It doesn't smell like a factory smell. It smells like stale spices. But that's just a nice, soft, baby pink acrylic. That will probably go in the Pro-Shell Ministry stuff. I paid $2.99, just for the record, for each Millen bag. I did not realize when I ordered these that the mystery bags were Millens. Had I realized that, I may or may not have still purchased them. Just because I have mixed feelings with the Millens if I can't see them. Oh, now this I like a lot. Big old piece of weird fuzz there. I'm not sure what this is. It could be Bernat Everyday, but I don't think that's that soft. It feels more like Red Heart with Love. Beautiful tealy turquoisey shade. And that's what I got. So 2 of them will go to Pro-Shell Ministry, the pink and the yellow baby yarns. I think they're going to get more use there than they will in my stash. This nastiness, I have no clue what's going to happen to this. This may be going to Goodwill. I don't know. If I can figure out what the fiber content is, it literally feels like a nylon rope that's untwisted. It feels like 1 ply of a nylon rope. I could maybe do a market bag out of this. This is nasty. But the red and the turquoise will either be something, probably for the Pro-Shell Ministry. The blue actually may go to make a bunch of hats, and so may the red, to donate to one of the homeless charities that I donate to, or, blankets, shawls. I did get a request for more blankets for men, so I may use those 2 to make blankets. What on earth? What on earth, you guys? If y'all have any idea what that is, let me know. I mean, that is just... I've never seen that in the craft store before. And I mean, it's... I love the color, but that is otherworldly nasty to gnarly. I mean, that's not what I would consider that a utility fiber. Definitely not a knit and crochet fiber. That's I'm glad I only paid $3 for a pound. As my husband comes creeping back through the room. So I mean, a win with 4 of them. 2 I'll use for donations, 2 I'll use to make things to donate, and 1 that I have to go on their website and even try to figure out what this is supposed to be. I'm going to say it's probably 100% nylon and something meant to make rugs with. So, actually, I'll see. If I have an addendum to this video, it will be telling you what this is supposed to be. If not, if I upload it plain, then I have no clue. So I will catch you guys later. Bye. And we do have an addendum. I was able to find it. It is Pintrest slipper and craft yarn. The color appears to be mulberry, and it's 100% olefin fiber. It is a polyfiber like polyester and polyacrylic, but like I said, it kind of feels like nylon rope. So I'll see what I can find to do with it. Like I said, the only thing I think it's probably really well suited for, I know they're showing it as a slipper. It would make a very durable slipper, but not a very comfy one. I think it's probably at best a shopping bag, at worst a rug based on how it feels. But I was able to identify it. Pintrest slipper and craft yarn. So if you've worked with that before, I've got quite a few of y'all who are in Canada, and y'all can get Pintrest regularly up there. Let me know if you've made something with this and what you did with it, and how you enjoyed working with it.